You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word from French in French. If you want to learn more useful vocabulary in French, make sure to stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Votre is how it is pronounced, meaning yours. How to pronounce votre. English pronunciation. Votre. How to pronounce votre. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.